In the next era of sustainable design, passive cooling emerges as a practical ally borrowed from nature's own toolkit to reduce energy use. The script follows emerging architects who study wind channels, shade patterns, and surface textures to regulate indoor temperatures without machines. Real-world examples show courtyards guiding breezes in hot climates and membranes that reflect heat while letting light in. Viewers learn actionable steps: choose building orientation, plant shade, and select breathable materials that improve comfort and cut bills. By tracing this quiet revolution, the video reveals a story where science meets everyday living through thoughtful design.